So here we are over at the Neebing River. This is where I typically put the canoe in if I want to paddle upstream. And we have some downed trees. So rather than go around or over this all the time, got over a small saw over here. Looking for a different one, but I can't find the one I want, so I'm going to start cutting some of the branches off and trimming it up a little bit. I want to launch the canoe into the river in the next couple days, go for a little upriver paddle. So, time to get to work. Bye for now. My growing pile of branches and limbs starting to add up. We're getting there. Okay, this is about a half hour later. Most of the debris is now piled off to the side. All we have left is one fairly large log. Most of the limbs are taken off, and I can easily step over that with the canoe and get down to where I launch, right there. That's all for now. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and most importantly, subscribe.